Do you guys see Patty over here? Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back to another studio vlog. It is day 2 of the Ultimate Planner sale, and guys, I have to thank you guys so much for yesterday. I couldn't even get on here to film yesterday because it was so crazy. I literally stayed in my pajamas all day long until like, I don't know, 9 o'clock, where I was able to get in the shower and eat some food. It was just an incredible day. I appreciate everyone that ordered yesterday and that ordered today and will order tomorrow. So thank you guys so much. It has been so amazing. So today it's going to be super busy because of all of the sales from yesterday. I am going to be looking over to see if anything sold out in the shop. So I'll try and restock as much as I can. A lot of the sticker albums sold out, so unfortunately I think all of the washi albums may be sold out. There may be a couple left. If you are looking for a certain design, let me know. I can probably finagle and move things around. I also want to sort all of the sampler swaps that I did for day 1, 2, and 3, and then film them for Instagram so you guys can see what you'll be getting each day. Now I'll probably do day 3 at the beginning early in the morning because it's already later today, so most people will like to get surprised, I think, anyway. But day 3, I definitely want people to know what they'll get for the last day. So let's go ahead and get this day started. You guys see Patty over here? There's actually a dog barking outside, so she's probably wondering what's going on there. And she also wants to get fed, so that's probably really the reason. She just wants food. So I did just look at all of the sticker albums. A couple of them were sold out, all of the mini ones almost. I do have a few more. I'm not going to restock them since they're later through the day. I'm going to restock them tomorrow morning. That way everybody gets a chance to get the leftover mini albums. I did finagle some of the numbers, so hopefully everybody will be able to get which one they want. The regular albums seem to be okay. We are low stock on the jumbo ones and the Hobonichi, but like I said, I'm finagling the designs around to make sure that there's enough of each of those. So I'm going to go ahead and go over all of the stickers now. I also am super busy with all the In Search Of posts. So in the Ultimate Planner group, everybody's writing in search of stickers. So I want to be on top of that today to make sure I'm posting if somebody is searching for a giraffe sticker, that I post my giraffe sticker, because I want them to be able to see what I have in store. So I'm gonna get back to work. I've been answering all of these in search of posts, and we have the brand new mini sticks that got released in our shop. So every time I type in mini sticks, the autocorrect on the computer gives me a ton of different options, and it just autocorrects it. And I keep posting it because I don't look at it ahead of time, and then I have to go back in and edit the mini sticks out. So if you guys know how to change the autocorrect on here, let me know. I was able to do it on my phone. I don't know why I can't find it on my computer. So I'm gonna have to go back through these to make sure that I did not misspell. For hours just answering the in search of posts on the Ultimate Planner group, and answering any questions or anything that comes up in my Etsy store, because I just want to be engaged and ready for anybody that needs me if they have any questions or anything like that. So that is literally what I have been doing. So I thought I would take a break, give my eyeballs a rest from the computer really quickly, and get together all of the swap sampler packs that are going to be going out in yesterday's orders, today's orders, and tomorrow's orders. So I'm going to go ahead and film that for Instagram first, and then I will film it for you guys so you guys can see what everybody is getting during the Ultimate Planner sale, along with all of the freebies that they can get from my shop as well. Alright, so here's a look at day one's sampler swap pack. So day one came with 5 sticker sheets and this adorable little clip. I'm going to go ahead and package all of them up and get them all ready to ship out this week when I pack everybody's order. I just want to make sure that I get all of the days correct. And here's a look at day two's swap sampler pack. Each day I separated the clips. So the first day had one from Hello Serendipity, which was this adorable popsicle one. The second day is from Clippy Chick Creations, and then the 4 samplers for the second day. Alright, and here's a look at day three's swap sampler pack. There are 4 sampler stickers here, and the planner clip, guys, is so gorgeous. This is from Lily and Lola. There's also a little sticker sheet behind there as well. Now, all of these are different, so you guys might get a little white one, a purple one, a blue one. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. So let's pack these up as well. little baggies. I didn't realize how much time that was going to take me. They were Ziploc shut, and of course I had to open each individual bag and reseal them. I do like them though. They have like this white like film over it, so it's almost like getting a cute little surprise bag with your order, especially for those people that didn't see my Instagram story or is not going to see this video. I think that's going to be super cute for them. So you guys can see it's like almost 10 o'clock at night. I should probably be done for the night, but I did want to check on the albums again to make sure if they did sell out that I switch things around so that they have at least one for tomorrow in each like cover. So before I go to bed, I want to prep a couple of them. I did print and cut a bunch of the covers already. That way I just have to actually place them on the album. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now before I head out. So I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I will be getting back to my planner videos soon. If you guys have a request for a planner video, if you guys want me to do my bullet journal setup, my Hobonichi weeks, or my happy planner weekly spread, let me know down below which one you guys would prefer. So if you guys are enjoying these vlogs and you want to see more, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!